Hello, my name is Paul Bird. I'm with Tar Heel Wealth Management here in Hickory, and I'm a financial advisor. On a day-to-day basis, I manage money, help people meet their financial goals, individuals, corporations, and charitable foundations. I keep up with markets here and around the world and try to help people realize their goals. I've been doing this for 17 years, and it's an enjoyable thing to do, and I've met a lot of wonderful people, and that's probably the greatest part about the job. This is another part of my life, a very important part. I'm a shield for the Salvation Army, and I volunteer here at the Boys and Girls Club in Hickory. It's a place where they can play safely, but it's also, and just as importantly, a place where they study and where they learn. We all know that there are so many things out there that we have to protect our own children or grandchildren against. There's a lot of bad things in this world. And for some of these children that are part of the Boys and Girls Club, they don't have a lot of the advantages that other children have. And I think sometimes some of these kids just need to know that somebody cares about them and that they'll be there every week. And we'll talk to them about what they've accomplished or what they have had frustrations with and give them some encouragement. It's one of the most fascinating things that I've ever done, and it's a blessing to me to be a part of this organization. I am a shield for the Salvation Army and for the Boys and Girls Club.